This is a brand new Mercedes GLC 2026. If someone tried to steal this, got it started anyway, they start it up, select their gear, and the vehicle cuts out and dies. It's going nowhere. So with this, how we'll drive it, we can start it like normal, remote start it, leave the vehicle running to warm up. We'll go through a code when we're ready. 1, 2, 3, wait for a tone. And now it's going to allow us to select our gear and the vehicle's going to remain running. When we turn the car off, the system self-activates. If we have a phone present, we don't want to do the code, we just hop in with our Bluetooth on. It disarms straight away and we can drive off. No need to mess around with a push sequence or a code. We can just pop it into gear and drive off straight away. This self-activates, so when we turn it off, give it 10 seconds, the system's going to be armed, and if someone tries to steal it, grabs the key, does a relay attack, gets in, starts the car up, goes to drive it away, we pop it into gear, and it dies. To get one of these fitted, our number's 0208 212 7393. This is a StarLine i96 Pro Immobiliser on a 2026 Mercedes GLC.